This video is going to review how you can create a digital class cookbook for your holiday cookbook and distribute it to families of students in your classroom. So for this tutorial, I am using Google Classroom. If you do not have Google Classroom, that's okay. You can assign the link. However it works for you. You just need to make sure that you have access to all of your students' work. So if you share a forced copy link with them, you need to make sure that they share their work back to you so that you have access to everything they've worked on. So what you're going to do if you're using Google Classroom is create an assignment. So I am going to go into my demo class here, and I just need to go to classwork and create assignment. From here, I can title my assignment. And you can either assign them the full packet of student pages, or you can assign them, that was very glitchy, sorry, or you can assign them just the recipe pages, depending on if you're working on the full file digitally or if you're only compiling the recipes digitally. From there, you'll choose Drive, and you will see all of your recent additions. So when you go to the copy of this resource and you click the link, it automatically puts a copy of this in your drive. So you can either search class cookbook or you can find the file you recently added. You want to make sure that you change this to make a copy for each student, and then you will click assign. I already did that, so I'm just going to X out of there for now. So on the student side, I can see where this was assigned to me. Here is the new assignment right here, or I could also go to the classwork tab and see it there. When I click it, I have an assignment that is created for me here that I could click and type into. You'll see that I have all 4 recipe pages in here. I need to choose the one that works best for me and keep just that page, illustration page. So once I've done that, my recipe will be ready to put into the cookbook. So on the teacher side, what you'll need to do is access all of those links, and you could go to view assignment, and it will show you all of the student work in your classroom. So if you have 28 students, all 20 will show up right here. You just need to click on one of your students and open it here with this arrow on the side. Their work will automatically open in Google Slides like this. So once you've done that, you could go to this file that has the cover page, like the master student lesson. You could delete everything but the table of contents and the cover page. You don't have to keep the table of contents if you don't want it. It is definitely optional, but I have found that it's a nice addition. So you'll delete everything. You will go to their student work. You'll copy their recipe. I'm just doing Command C, but you can also go to Edit Copy. And then you'll go to your master file and you will Command V or Edit Paste. You will repeat this for every student's illustration and recipe card. Once you've done that, it's ready to share with families. So you just need to go to File, Share with Others. Make sure that this restricted is changed to anyone with the link and it's set to view. You do not want it on editor because that means all of the parents that you send this to can change your file. So anyone with the link and viewer, and then copy link, and you can distribute that link to parents in your class and they will be able to see your class cookbook. If you have any questions, email us at help@performingineducation.com and we will help you out.